Now at 5:30, the Miami-Dade State Attorney's Office says a mentally ill prison inmate died accidentally and wasn't scalded to death. A closeout memo says corrections officers did not intend to harm Darren Rainey. Today's report comes more than 4 years after Rainey died in a prison shower at Dade Correctional Institution.
But exactly how Rainey died is still open to question and causing controversy tonight. Our senior political reporter Michael Putney in our newsroom now with this story. Michael.
Calvin, Janine, here is the closeout memo from the Miami-Dade State Attorney's Office released mid-afternoon today, Friday, St. Patrick's Day. It all but guarantees it's not going to get a whole lot of attention. This memo answers a lot, but not all of the questions surrounding the death of Darren Rainey. This is video we're seeing for the first time from the Dade Correctional Institution near Homestead, the night of June 23, 2012. Inmate Darren Rainey was being escorted to a shower because he had defecated in his cell and smeared the feces on himself. It wasn't the first time. Rainey was put in a long, narrow shower, but had no control over the water temperature. That was up to Corrections Officer Roland Clark, the closeout memo says. Clark told homicide detectives he made sure the water temperature was all right. It was controlled by faucets in an adjacent janitor's closet. Then Clark and other officers left Rainey in that shower for nearly 2 hours. Some inmates said they heard Rainey screaming for help because the water was reportedly too hot, an accusation that could not be corroborated. Rainey, mentally ill and in prison on drug charges, was found not breathing on the shower floor. Officer Clark, the closeout memo says, recalled that Rainey's body felt warm and slippery, and that as he was lifting him from the shower, some of inmate Rainey's skin was coming off. But at the autopsy, the medical examiner said Rainey had no burns on his body. Dr. Emma Liu determined that the manner of death was accidental because there was no intent on the part of the correctional officers to harm inmate Rainey. Bottom line here, the state attorney's office says no crime was committed. The attorney for the Rainey family says they are disappointed and heartbroken that no charges will be filed. We're in the video port. Michael Putney, Local 10 News.